Hello everyone. In this video you will see some interesting, most satisfying cleaning tools and ingenious machines. Please watch this video till the end because number 6 will be very satisfying to watch. Hope you will enjoy this video. Please like and share this video and be sure to subscribe Best Tech and press the bell button for the latest updates. So now sit back, relax and enjoy the video. Dustless blasting graffiti remover. This is a revolutionary paint stripping and cleaning system that can remove virtually any coating from any surface. Inside the blast tank, water and abrasive are mixed for cleaning the coating. During the blasting, the water encapsulates the abrasive and the coating being removed. Because water is mixed with the abrasive, there is no dust plume or ignitable sparks. Dustless blasting has such a wide variety of applications and uses. It can be used on nearly any type of surface such as wood, brick, metal, concrete and many more. Bellows Beam S9000. The Bellows Beam S9000 is designed to withstand the most arduous conditions. The brush sits immediately behind the nozzle to enable rapid pickup at a very low auxiliary engine RPM, reducing both fuel cost and noise. A wide range of high pressure system is available up to 300 bar. Water may be applied to the road surface through a selection of spray bars via either V-jets. Roof snow removal. This guy has found a clever way to remove snow from the roof. With the high pressure water gun cut the snow that fall apart from the roof. This is a clever method for removing snow during winter season. Blast cleaning machine. Blast cleaning is machine that specializes in cleaning the railway track blast of impurities. The C750 extract the old ballast from under the sleepers with a chain and transport it to a screen which retains any usable material. The usable ballast is then returned to the track. Optimist Steam Cleaner. Optimist Steam Cleaner is a powerful tool that uses steam as main source for cleaning. It was redesigned with next generation features that make it easier to harness the cleaning power of steam. It is useful for cleaning the car without damaging the paint, and it's consume a fraction of water to do the same job. It can also easily clean away harder stuff. This Deco Graffiti Remover. Neither the stone nor the grout won't be damaged when graffiti is removed. With this, the cleaning machine is the ideal alternative to a high pressure cleaner and dry ice blasting. Turbo Hybrid Floor Cleaning. The TurboForce Turbo Hybrid operates at the pressure up to 2500 psi. Plus, the patented automatic vacuum compensator leaves the floor drier. Turbo Hybrid is made from extremely durable stainless steel, so it can withstand the bumps and bruises of normal or heavy-duty use. The Comfort Grip non-slip handle relieves pressure on the hands and wrist while ensuring your fingers won't slip.